can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment?
My hair appointment, I just got done straightening up the house. I did not deep clean yet. This floor is still super dirty. Do y'all see the jacket? Yeah. Yo! I can't, I'm busy. I can't think. I can't. It's literally too much going on. Stuff that I'm not telling y'all that I'm trying to wait. I don't know what to do. I am going to the dealership. Just trying to be away with you. Main one crying. How you fighting on me and I'm the main one crying? How you blaming on me if you're the main one crying? How you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody who body like you do.
I'm at my hair appointment.
Lose when I'm with you.
Yeah, she a perfectionist, girl. She just had to redid my hair. I mean, ponytail. It was cute. Yeah, it's cute. Period. I feel like Ling Ling.
Not Ling Ling.
Yeah, it's cute.
Critical condition after a suicide attempt. Doesn't look good.
I'm about to head home. I was about to get my lashes retouched up, but I'm gonna just wait till she on New Year's, tomorrow. Yeah, she gonna come tomorrow and do my lashes, so I'm gonna get my lashes done tomorrow. I'm tired. I gotta go to the bank. Let's go do that, y'all. I don't feel like it, but I forgot I gotta ship this order. So I'm about to stop by the post office and drop off this order. Then I'm gonna go home.
I snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Yeah, I made it to the bank. Pray for me as we speak right now. So I'm at the bank, you guys. It's 1:09. And I'm waiting to get seated. I like my hair. Hold on. Set it up. It's steaming. It's hot. I got my shirt on from yesterday, y'all. As y'all seen it.
You know. Yeah, that's it. What you doing? You know those?
No, I'm good.
Do content? Let her get something? She will get something?
I can't, I'm busy.
Say my name.
I can't.
What you know? You're already. Your name, like, start with an M? Look familiar. Good.
Thank you.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you. So I can bring I'm gonna do a transfer, but I don't remember the address I sent it to. I don't know if you still have
The last one, I can look. We're doing a wire?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait, dang. Hold on.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
I know y'all was not blurry this whole time. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. I know y'all were blurry the whole time. Alright. Okay, y'all, so hold on. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from my hair appointment. I just got done straightening up the house. I did not deep clean yet. This floor is still super dirty. I still have, sorry for the noise in the background. As y'all see, I started the dryer, and I'm also got to wash the mittens and the pot holders. And I might as well put them gray towels in there when I wash that. The floor is really dirty. This floor is really dirty. I just gotta sweep. I'm definitely going to mop. And then the couch, I want to vacuum the rug and the couch with my new vacuum that I put over here. We're gonna vacuum that. And this back there is the change. I need the coins to go to the bank. And yeah, I don't know. We're gonna find something to decorate. Definitely want to put something on top of that. My thing about to die. This is me with my Lilo, with my Lilo outfit on. Shop the look, period. Do y'all see the jacket? Yeah, period, shop. As y'all see, this one is so dirty. So I'm going to deep clean the counters, and I'm going to wash my hair stuff. I just haven't done it yet because I wanted to straighten up my house before I lay down. I just want to lay down, but I just didn't want to look at that. It just wouldn't. I feel like I can't do nothing when the house is just cluttered. And I also have a million things to do on my to-do list. And y'all know when somebody say like when your room is a mess, your mind is a mess. That is so true, because when I have a million things to do on my to-do list, but I cannot do it if the house is not clean. It's like, it just make it so much chaotic. I don't know. It's crazy. It's crazy. But in the bathroom, so I'm gonna actually put these kitchen things in the washer. We're gonna wash them because they were very dusty. Let's go ahead and get the towels. And we might as well clean the motherfucking dish rack as well. My battery is about to die, and that's right, I just charged it last night. So I'm gonna put that in there. I might find some more stuff, so I'm not gonna start it yet. So let's close that. Okay, so in the bathroom, y'all see me straighten up the bathroom as well. I gotta clean the counters, put this up Yeah, that's I need to take out the trash. So, and then I gotta clean the toilet bowl out. You leave it not too dirty. Gotta deep clean the shower as well. Gonna wash those with the white clothes. So yeah, so right now, let's straighten up this room, and then we're gonna take a nap. And I'm also cleaning up this room because I'm about to put in another service order for my closet because the floor is soaking wet again. Let me close the door because it's okay. I'm gonna grab these shoes, put these shoes back. But y'all, I forgot I was gonna do a try on haul too, but I'm still gonna do that. But I have to put my life together. It's too much going on right now. I can't think. It's too much. It's literally too much going on. Stuff that I'm not telling y'all that I'm trying to wait. I don't know what to do for. I don't know what to do. Sorry. That was a timeout. Forgive me. Timeout. Timeout. Because life do not pause, y'all. It just keep going. And then more stuff. You gotta keep Now I gotta really. This is my crown clothes. Let me go get a trash bag for this trash can. Alright, just got a trash bag for this trash can. Oh, my floor is wet, y'all. Yo! It's a hole in. I got these trash bags off of Temu. Temu, y'all. That's why it's acting like that. What's in here? This is the bag I got today. Let's unpack this. Pack. My booth. About to drink that. I'm starving right now, so I'm about to eat. I'm gonna put this back in the hair bag. Extra hair. Put that in there. My lashes. I was supposed to get my lashes done, but we're gonna get them done tomorrow. Battery. This need to be. This the battery. This y'all battery here. Here. Charge yourself, cause y'all about to die. We gotta charge y'all.
Stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers.
So I'm not gonna make up my bed because I'm about to get in it. I'm gonna make up the other side though. Cause Maya, she slept in here yesterday. So we're gonna make up the other side. Usually I just sleep on one side. Don't have to make but one side up. The sauce, I got a sauce for. Oh yeah, and I also have to I can't wait to I'm deep cleaning everything. Like we're gonna do a whole separate video on organizing that kitchen. The kitchen is crazy. It's yours with stuff everywhere. I'm gonna just put this hair in the bag in here. Extra hair. Oh, this floor is so dirty. We gotta do a deep organizer on the bathroom as well. I'm about to put this try on haul. I'm about to order a Shein cart as well. So we're gonna do a try on haul. It's gonna be so litty. It's gonna be litty, y'all. Let's put this back. Put this back. This should be my New Year's outfit, but I ain't going nowhere. If I was, this would be a cute New Year's outfit. This is a prank. We're gonna do a try on haul in the vlog. I don't know when. I need to organize. I need to edit. I got a couple days. Oh, I don't know why I got the jitters and I'm sleepy. Hold on. Let's put this blanket up this way. Then roll these windows up. But y'all, I don't know why I got the jitters because I'm sleepy. My time at the bank, y'all, it was a vibe. Like I have never been to a bank where I feel so welcome and, you know, and like when I first went to this bank, like when I first moved, I went to a different bank, a different location, but it's the same bank. I went to a different location. Let me close the door because that's too loud. So yeah, I went to a different bank, a different location in Marietta. It was giving normal vibes like my old bank. Even though I do love my old bank, where my mama used to live. Now that's my bank right there. Still, that's my bank. I ain't driving that far no more. But this bank that I went to, like that's close. Actually, it's really closer. But on GPS, it don't say that this bank is closer to me, which it is because it's only the streetway. The Marietta bank, that's like, it says like 18 minutes, and this one say further, but when you start driving, it's actually way closer than the other one. And yeah, but when I first went, the lady, she was real cool. I ain't gonna call her lady because that makes her sound old, but she not old. She like my age, but she is mad cool, y'all. So I felt very welcome and very like, okay, I like this. It made me feel comfortable, even though it's a bank. It don't matter if you feel comfortable, but it just make you feel like a housewarming. Make you feel welcome and stuff. But yeah, oh, let me make this bed up. So yeah, she is mad cool, and I hope it's not blurry. We just had a long conversation. Excited about that. I'm gonna put her feet up here. Got all type of stuff in my bed. She need to lay the other way next time. We had a great conversation. She's cool, and we're gonna start hanging out. Mad cool, and she does YouTube. I'm gonna see her soon on my channel because she's mad cool. But I'm about to go back in the bed. He ain't finna make that up.
Baby, brother, get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion.
We're gonna charge this up, y'all, because y'all about to die. Y'all need to go to sleep. Wake back up with energy. So this is for y'all. This is for y'all. But yeah, we about to take a nap. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be going on a little trip, and y'all be coming along with me. We're gonna see what the day holds for us tomorrow. See what's going on. I don't even know. Why not talk about it? And if not, I'll just block it out. So tomorrow, I am going to the dealership to get my dream car. Tomorrow I'm going to the dealership to get my dream car. These are my shorts. They was under the cover. I took them off. But tomorrow we're going to the dealership to get my dream car. But at this dealership, this car is way more expensive than the other one.
Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet.